Let's talk to Eddie Tofpik. He's the Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Morning to you, Eddie.
Good morning.
Right, let's talk commodities. Let's kick off with gold. What's going on here?
It's turning over. This lovely uptrend channel that we've had. It's turned over. It's now deciding whether it wants to stay below that. I think it's done that. It now decides whether it wants to come down to the 1300 area, which is the 50% move of this whole move up from December. There's a likelihood it may try for that. I'm not certain it'll go all the way. Probably at least around 1325, maybe 1310, because there's significant bands of support on the way down, as you can see. That's a significant level to look at. On the upside, 1345, and then there's really nothing major till about the 1360. But that 1366 area, the high of the market, that's quite significant at the moment. I don't think at this particular point in time it's looking as if it might have a crack at that. It looks like it might turn down. Neutral would be back below 1300, but it's not really trying that yet. It's still overly bullish, a pullback, but the key pullback will be 1300.
Understood. Let's move on to crude. Beautiful chart.
Beautiful chart. Lovely ascending Andrews pitchfork, which we are still using, so don't negate that. It's still the center tine and the lower tine. Those two are showing the market, but I draw your attention to that uptrend which I've drawn from about December. It's got broken today. In fact, yesterday it got broken. The day before it was a close below it, but yesterday it tested up to it and came off. It's still underneath that. That's the key level, which is 65.40. And we have a potential possible double top on the recent actions.
Which is bearish.
Which is bearish,
yeah.
But that's from last week. I'm not calling that yet because it's too early to say. It would not surprise me to go down to about, say, 62.60 area, and then the key level is 61.38, 61.40, let's say. Those are the key support areas. If it should do that next week, then we will be outside the channel, this channel, which means that the whole action from June, September to date is now over. But it's not showing that yet. I'd look to see, should it go really 61.40 this week, 61.40 next week would be a concern.
Okay, let's wrap up finally with copper. The bellwether for the economy.
This is such a busy chart.
I've never seen so many lines on chart.
I know, but they're all valid.
Right.
That's the problem. They're all valid and they're all in there. But if the thing you notice is that over the last 5-6 working days, every open and close has been roughly the same level.
Indecision.
Yeah, absolute indecision. Doji top, spinning top, doji top, spinning top, blah, 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 whatever. It's literally not doing. The only thing I'd say is that there is more lines pointing upwards than there are one pointing down, so the pressure is on the upside. Could this whole action be a halfway hesitation, so that from 6,500 to 7,300 is basically an 800 point one leg, and the second leg, which is from 6,900 to say 7,700 would be the next if it goes, but it's too early to say. That's the only thing I'd say at the moment on the longer term. It could be a bull flag, bull halfway hesitation, but it's too early to say.
Eddie, thank you very much.
Thank you.